welcome back to another video. Today we got a Lowe's video. I'm just gonna go back to the main page so you guys would know how I got there. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. Alright, we're here at the main page. You go to up to 35% off tools. And you're gonna get this menu. You can choose the items here at the top, or you could go to the down to the buy one get one free. That's where we're at today. Let's look at this one. Alright, pretty much it's a $249 combo. It says good through 11/13 to 2019. Let's see here. I guess you have to add it to the cart. So I guess this already comes pre-selected. So basically you have to add this this combo kit, or probably any of these combo kits, I think. No, not really. Just this one. So you have to add this combo kit and get that for free. Not really, you don't really get a choice. Yeah, on these, yeah, you don't really get a choice. So you do have to buy this and get that for free. That's basically the choice you get. Let's see this one. Let's see Craftsman. So we got Craftsman. We got a, what is this, 4-piece? It's a 4-piece toolkit. $199. Let's see here, add to cart. Alright, viewing cart. Alright, so we got if we don't have anything, I'm gonna delete this deal here. Okay, so I guess once you can only do one deal at a time, so then it just adds it up automatically. So it is the 4-tool combo kit, plus you get the Craftsman. As you can see there, you get the discounted price, the 69 minus the 69 total, estimated total $499. Look at this. All right, now we have estimated total $199. So now we got the discounts, and pretty much that's the way it goes. So you don't really get a choice of what tool you're gonna get for free. You basically get the tool that they have here. So if you buy this combo kit, which is what is this, $249, you get that for free. Same thing with this. You buy this combo kit, get that for free. Same thing with that. You get that for free, and this one you get. Let's see here. This one's $5.99. They're pretty much advertisement there. $5.99, and you do get that stand for free. Yeah, not really smoking deals on this. Definitely recommend if you need a circular saw and impact driver, drill driver. Definitely, and this one does include a reciprocating saw. Just keep in mind that these are mostly Craftsman's a DIY tool. Professionals might want to go with DeWalt, Bosch, even Cobalt's a great brand there. But yeah, Cobalt Steel, it's more inclined to the DIY at home use. So these two are home use, and these two are more professional inclined tools. So definitely would recommend you guys checking these out. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell.